Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to channelize message from Lord Shiva and we are going to see what does he want to say to us for Mahashivratri. And okay, I just saw this. If you see this, the last card over here is about Mahashivratri and there's no bigger coincidence that this has come. So this is going to be a timeless reading. Even though you see it later on, and it's not Mahashivratri, take whatever resonates and leave the rest because Shivji definitely has a message for you, irrespective of Mahashivratri or not. Let's quickly dive in. Let's see what is the message for you all. For the ones who have not subscribed yet, please do so that it helps me connect to your energy better and I'm able to channelize messages even in a more accurate way. So let's quickly dive in. Let's see what is the message from Lord Shiva this Mahashivratri. What do you need to focus on? What do you need to do? Let's see. Okay, so whoever is watching this video, I just feel that somewhere you are going through a detox process. I just feel that a lot of y'all are not feeling aligned to your own self. Yeah, for whatever you're trying to manifest, even when the things come to you, you are not able to resonate to that because you are shifting in a zone and a new era of your life. I just feel that you are energetically upgrading, and that is why Shiva is wanting you to wait for some more time and be more dedicated to this process. He is wanting you to get more spiritually connected. He wants you to start meditating more, start connecting to his energy more this Mahashivratri. And this Mahashivratri for y'all is going to be a lot about detoxification and cleansing. I'm seeing a lot of havan or some letting go ritual happening where you are writing something on a paper, burning it out, and it's beautiful. You are letting go of your old self and moving to a new self because like the snake sheds its skin before it turns and has a new skin. I just feel that that dead skin is coming out of you and you're moving into a new era of yourself, and that is what is coming to you this Mahashivratri. Let's see what more और क्या बताना है प्लीज मुझे बताइए और क्या मैसेज है शिव जी जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहा है उसके लिए क्या मैसेज आ रहा है प्लीज मुझे बताइए for a lot of y'all, I just feel that there is a travel also that might be coming in, or you might be going somewhere to some spiritual place or somewhere where you're going to find some solution or some message or something is going to happen to you very strangely because I see that when you are in a isolated phase, I see some kind of a blessing showering on you, and whatever problems or things you're thinking about, I feel कि वो कहीं ना कहीं sort out होंगे. For others, I feel that it is necessary कि if you are in a lot of your masculine energy, तो आपको आपके feminine energy को भी थोड़ा सा tap in करना है, and vice versa. If you are more in your feminine energy, you need to start embracing your masculine energy as well. So प्लीज डू रिलैक्स एंड टेक थिंग्स वन एट अ टाइम. अगर किसी का रिलेशनशिप इशू चल रहा है तो आई फील दैट इट इज वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट कि आप का जो रिलेशन में जो भी इशू है it will start sorting out post Mahashivratri because I am seeing this alignment of fire and water, and I just feel that a lot of things will balance out and start connecting to Shiva energy more. Start isolating yourself because the more you get spiritually connected, the more things are going to come to you. Okay, in order to achieve whatever you want, Shivji is saying कि आपको आपके fears और anxiety को let go करना है. I know that a lot of y'all in relationship, career, health, anything, you all are feeling very fearful. I have a lot of fearful energy and I have this pain in my back. So बैक पेन भी किसी के लिए बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट होगा बिकॉज इट्स लाइक एन अपर बॉडी बैक पेन एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पे. तो ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं कि फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ y'all आर नॉट रियलाइजिंग कि कोई लोग है आपके आसपास जो अननोइंगली आपकी एनर्जी बहुत ड्रेन आउट कर रहे हैं, एंड I just feel that you need to let go of these people. You need to start creating a boundary for yourself and you need to start overcoming your fear and anxiety because everything you want in this lifetime or after Mahashivratri or whenever, whatever you're manifesting is going to come once you let go of that one thing, one fear that you're holding on to, and just surrender. Because see, we have got the Bhasmashur card where you need to let go. There is a lot of havan happening. I see. If you want to let go, just burn a candle and just close your eyes and just think of everything that you want to let go and visualize कि हर चीज वो candle में जा रही है. If you don't have a havan place, but in case if you do, um, and if in case if it is available, तो आप हवन करना, हवन देखो and just visualize, let go of things, because that is going to be very very beneficial for you this Mahashivratri. Letting go, letting go, letting go, ऐसे बार बार मुझे message आ रहा है that let go of things, let go of things. And somewhere I just feel that even though you all have let go in it, I just feel कि आपको उतना powerful नहीं feel होता है. So somewhere you need to be more polite with yourself. You have to be very gentle with yourself. You have to realize कि once you have done it, you have to believe कि ये चीज़ हो गई है. ऐसा नहीं है कि you cannot let go या फिर आपको कुछ बहुत बड़ा या major करना पड़ेगा to let things go. You have to take this very easily. And अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे शिव जी के जो जटा है वहाँ से कैसे पानी निकल रहा है. So I just feel that there are a lot of things in your head that have to come out so that you can start looking at all the blessings that are going to come ahead for you. So I just feel that you need to be more gentle with yourself. You need to start affirming all good thoughts. आप YouTube पे कहीं पे भी listen to more good thoughts, because जितना आप sink in करोगे अच्छे thoughts को, उतना ज़्यादा आपका brain rewire होगा and you will be able to move from one cliff to the other. And इधर भी अगर आप देखोगे तो बहुत सारा fire element है. तो I just feel that you all will overcome this issue through, issue भी नहीं है ये, but जो भी challenge आप feel कर रहे हो अपने life में in terms of any area of your life, it will come out once you start letting go of this fear, because there is something very strongly that you all are holding on to. And just remember कि whatever change is coming into your life, change is uncomfortable. तो ये चीज़ आप थोड़ा सा accept कर लो कि इजीली तो नहीं होगा, बट आप अफर्म कर सकते हो कि जो भी आपके पास आए वो इतना ब्यूटिफुली ट्रांजिशन हो. एंड द यूनिवर्स गिव्स यू ऑल द पावर दैट you do this beautifully. Let's see what more message, क्या और जानना चाहिए. जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहा है उसको और क्या मैसेज जानना चाहिए. व्हाट इज द गाइडेंस दैट इज कमिंग. प्लीज मुझे बताइए व्हाट इज मोर. Okay, this is beautiful. One more thing that your angels Shiva is asking you to do this Mahashivratri is कि you need to genuinely start either protecting your energy. मुझे लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अपने प्रोटेक्शन पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, इसीलिए मैंने बोला कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अननोइंगली आपकी एनर्जी ले रहे हैं. आप किसी से भी बात करते हो तो बहुत जल्दी लो फील करने लगते हो. तो आई जस्ट फील दैट यू नीड टू स्टार्ट ग्राउंडिंग योर सेल्फ एंड प्रोटेक्टिंग योर सेल्फ. You can read Hanuman Chalisa, you can listen to it, you can listen to you can pray to Archangel Michael. Anyone do you जिससे भी आप रेजोनेट करते हो, जो आपको लगता है कि आपको प्रोटेक्शन देंगे, आप उनसे कनेक्ट करिए एंड do take a lot of protection. Just visualize and feel the protection around you whenever you go or whenever you talk to someone, because there is very bad pain in the back where someone is genuinely pulling out the energy. And once you take protection, have the confidence. I just feel कि somewhere you are not having that confidence in yourself कि आप कुछ बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो या फिर बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें आपके लिए aligned है या फिर कुछ भी. I just feel that visualization for a lot of y'all is going to be amazing, because I have got a card where it says कि use your imagination and you'll see the answers. I just feel कि meditation will be very very important for a lot of y'all over here. And if you see cards कितने align हो रहे हैं where it says कि be gentle with yourself. You have to be very gentle with yourself. Don't be hard to yourself, because your angels, God, Shiva, everyone knows how much you are working and आप कितना हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हो एंड आप कितना ज़्यादा मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो इस चीज़ को. सो मेक श्योर दैट you are gentle with yourself, start meditating and start visualizing whatever you want to achieve in your life, and visualize that you are giving all these messages to Shiva or to your favorite god, because they are going to help you in this new beginning and new start. I have got, okay चलो, ये अभी significant नहीं लग रहा है, okay ये क्या गिर गया, okay so ये significant नहीं लग रहा था पर ये गिर गया तो अब बताना पड़ेगा, but I have got a card of new beginning and a fresh start. So I just feel कि for a lot of y'all, अगर आप देखोगे मेरे बाल भी बहुत गीले हैं, तो I just feel that a lot of y'all have to get into a very fresh energy. I just feel कि do a salt water bath or just change your energy a lot. I just feel कि अगर आप एक टॉक्सिक फ्रेंड ग्रुप में हो तो वो चेंज करो, टॉक्सिक रिलेशन में हो तो वो चेंज करो, अगर आप एक टॉक्सिक वर्क पैटर्न में हो तो उसको चेंज करो, बट you need to change. I am not saying कि you have to quit it, but you have to start changing it. You have to start creating boundary, क्योंकि you know your situation better and you know कि आपको ये कितना अफेक्ट कर रहा है और कितना ज़्यादा आपको इस प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत है और कितनी ज़्यादा एनर्जी ड्रेन कर रहा है. सो you need to be very gentle with yourself and you need to start protecting yourself, protecting your energy, so that you can manifest whatever you want. चलो, let's see what is the goddess guidance for you. God guidance क्या है, प्लीज मुझे बताइए. What is the message right now for everyone who's watching? प्लीज मुझे बताइए कि क्या गाइडेंस आ रही है. What is the message right now? Okay. Okay. See, I love how कार्ड्स में इतना सिंक्रोनिटी होता है जब अलग अलग डेक्स यूज करते हैं. Again, I have got a card of boundaries. I don't know if you all can see it, but I've got a card of boundaries and I've got a card of home. एक और card है which is High Priestess and the other one is Sources. So I am going to decode this for you, and what I see currently is that you, I know कि बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि get out of your comfort zone, get out of your comfort zone, but I am going to tell you that be in your comfort zone for now. I just feel that you need to value yourself more. You need to have a lot of self respect and you need to be comforted in your own energy, क्योंकि इसीलिए हमें बाउंड्री का कार्ड है that you need to know where to draw that line. I just feel that जैसे हम घर में किसी को एंटर करने नहीं देते हैं, वैसे ही you have to be very very aware कि कौन आपकी एनर्जी कितनी ले रहा है, कौन नहीं ले रहा है, बिकॉज आई फील दैट ओवरऑल इन दिस महाशिवरात्रि शिवजी इज जेन्युइनली वांटिंग टू टेल यू ऑल कि you can get into your higher power, but now is the time of elimination. आपको देखना है कि what is serving you more in this energy and what is not serving you more, because जो भी चीज़ आपको support नहीं कर रही है, you don't need to have that in your aura right now. I'm not saying, again I'm repeating, I'm not saying कि आपको ये चीज़ quit करनी है, आपको लोगों को rude behave करना है या फिर जो भी करना है, but you can do it very gently also. Be gentle with yourself and be gentle with others as well. And for many of you all, you are a magical person who can manifest your clear intentions into reality. Okay. For people who are wanting to manifest, what message I'm getting from Shiva is that get to the root cause. Get to the root cause. Suppose if you want to have a job that is worth 1 lakh, 50,000, anything, go to the root cause कि आपको 50,000 ही क्यों चाहिए, 1 lakh ही क्यों चाहिए. Go to the source that what is going to change for you, because the more clear you are about the goal, जैसे आप एक गोल रखो 50,000, then break it down of how can you achieve those 50,000 and get to the source, like do the reverse calculation, because that is really going to help you and it is going to help you in order to move ahead. जैसे आप देखोगे कि over here this lady is looking backwards but this horse is moving forward, so you need to go and do a reverse calculation so that this is going to help you move ahead in life. And I just feel that for a lot of y'all, you need to start recognizing your power. I just feel कि लोग आपको बहुत जल्दी हल्के में ले लेते हैं या फिर you are realizing your power now, but you need to start embracing it more, because you need to know that you are here for a divine reason and you have a bright future. And it's very Okay, so the message over here is stop worrying, everything is going to be fine, which is so beautiful क्योंकि यहाँ पे यू आर गेटिंग वरिड सो मच बिकॉज हम एक पीपल प्लीजिंग एटीट्यूड में रहते हैं हमेशा, या फिर हमको समझ नहीं आता कि एग्जैक्टली हमको कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, क्या करना है. बट ओवर हियर you are getting a message that God, universe, Shiva, whoever you believe in, जो भी आप टर्म करते हो इस चीज को, you are going to be extremely protected. So just take intuitive steps. और अगर आपको लगता है कि ये चीज अभी खत्म करनी है तो मेक just remember that all endings are a new beginning as well, and you need to go with that energy and see it so beautiful. The old must be released so that the new can enter. Again, do a lot of letting go ritual if you want. I don't know, just put it in the comments if you want, like just put yes, because if you all do that, I will host a letting go ritual for you all, and we'll do it together. I will guide you through it and we can do this. We can absolutely do this together. Okay, wait. Okay, as soon as you do that, I just feel कि you are going to open up to a golden opportunity जो आपने सोचा भी नहीं था, and it is going to make you so bold that you are not going to realize what blessings are coming your way. I just feel that important doors are opening for you right now. Walk through them. I just feel कि as soon as you let things go, एक दरवाजा बंद करोगे ना तो there are a lot of more doors that are going to open up to you, and you are going to realize what power do you hold for yourself, because it's going to be amazing. It's going to be divine. And I just feel कि for now your angels are saying that okay, this is the message that I wanted to give it to you. So lots of love and gratitude to each one of you all. I don't know कि क्या हो गया, but video off हो गया था. But thank you so much. Lots of love and gratitude, and Om Namah Shivaya.